Okay, guys, I want to make my update on DJT. As you guys know, with Trump becoming president in January, we can keep an eye on this stock right here as it's starting to make some bullish momentum here. We had this nice low here coming in from $11 and went all the way up to 55, and of course, we can expect some cool down. What am I looking for buy price here? If you guys missed it, the last pump right here, you can see when we made this nice bullish candle up here, you can see how on the weekly channel, we came really close to this ATR4, which is my Keltner channel, and this is a sell zone. Whenever you get close to here on a weekly, it is a big, strong sell zone. And you can look on the daily too. You can see whenever you come close here, you can get more precise entries to short it. So I will short DJT if it has this pattern along with time distance. You know, if we don't touch these EMAs in a while, what tends to happen is price will come and touch all these EMAs. Every time in history, it doesn't matter what stock it is, how good it is or bad, they will come back up to it. So if we get way above these upper bands, then I know, okay, gives me a sell signal. Do I get in right away? I look for a blow off top. Usually two candle touches are my favorite. You see how you have this candle right here, and then it gets way up higher. This is your second candle touch, and you look for price to come back down. And this was from this here was a 50% drop. 51% drop from the highs and lows. Massive gains if you have bought puts. So would I buy puts right here? No. This makes no sense because we're not overreaction to the upside. So what I looked for is on the daily candle, I look for a bounce to be on this EMA 50. This is the area I would look like, and I also coincided with my weekly chart. I'm looking for a bounce on the 10. I told you guys before in my other videos, this is the area that I'm looking for. I need to see that $31 region. Every time we get close to this 5, we're kind of dipping it, and then we're going up here. Just from this low here, we already pumped 6% right here from this low to this high. So I'm definitely looking for here. If it goes to the 20, I would love to add, and that's really what I'm pretty much doing here. I think DJT is a very strong coming into 2025 here. I think we're going to get some momentum coming into January, past New Year's. So I'm looking for that area. So $31 is my buy zone. Obviously, this is going to fluctuate each time because as you can see, look at the weekly EMA 10. We go from 30.83 or my bad, 31.10 to 31.76. So it goes up as time goes because we're in an uptrend. EMAs are going to go up in value if we're in an uptrend. Everything looks good about this chart. We had this massive move here, and then you can kind of see like, oh, wow, the EMA 50, the 20 crossed the 50, and now the 50 is acting as strong support. This right here is my early trend idea. I want to get into this thing. I would love to do, if it goes to the 20, even better, right? You can look at from the 10 to 20, you're like a 4% move area here. That's what I would add. And then obviously I would add to the 50. If it breaks this area down here, this would be your stop loss because this right here is essentially your demand zone. You can see every time candles get here, we had long wicks coming up. So he hits here, come up, hit here, come up, hit here, come up. So that's what I'm looking for on DJT. I think this is a very safe type of play here. I don't see anything wrong. And you can see when we're in a downtrend, it can last for some time, and the EMA 50 becomes the upper hand. But with these uptrends, you can get quite a nice move. This is the kind of the situation here. We have price well above this ATR4. It's just my Keltner channel. I customized in the setting. I have in the Discord if you need it. What happens? Shorts take it down. Doesn't mean it should come crashing down. It's just like, why would you buy it up in here? Shorts take it down. Where do we hit? The 5, the 10, and the 20 on a weekly time frame. On a daily, they hit faster. We had this second move up, which is this, which we make a new high. That's what I'm looking for right here. We had this first big move up. We come back down to test support, and then we make a newer high on DJT. And that's the same pattern I see rated here. Obviously, it doesn't have to be that extreme. I'm looking for 10 to 20% balanced ideas, and that's really all I need. If we price comes all the way down to this 10 and we make a new high, or just to this level here, that's a 22% gain. If we surpass this candle all the way up here, that's a 71% here. So tons of gains to be made. I'm looking on this. This one's on high alert for next week. December 23rd coming into. I'm definitely looking for that EMA 10 bounce coordinated with that daily. You can see we get very, very close here, and everything looks really bullish, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, know this system, and if you guys watch my videos, you guys know I'm loving these bigger cap stocks, trading with the trend on finding which stock has the best trend, which stock has an early trend, where we can take advantage of those first touches of the bounces and make massive money. If you guys want to join the Discord, be a part of a community, we have lots of people in here, lots of people giving ideas. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do to become a member is hit day trade alerts. and you'll get access to my highest tier for swing trades and day trades combined, alerted to your phone with live streams and constantly updating the system. For 12 bucks a month, you'll have access to everything. And if you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you want to just get swing trades, you can just hit swing trade alerts for 6 bucks a month, and you can view all the services by clicking server shop above here, where you'll see the shop. But it's only 6 bucks if you want swing trades, which is literally what I'm talking about DJT. But I really think you're gonna love my day trades the most. I think it gives you the most passive income every day. I have a strategy that's so unique you probably never seen. I really think you guys were really going to love it. It works with small accounts or big accounts. Whereas swing trading, you're going to need a little more money because you're going to have to hold for longer times. You're going to, I'm going to trade safer stocks with the swing trading so you guys can make more consistent income. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer or use your phone's browser. But when you do that, you can use your Android just fine. I'm really bullish on DJT. Let me guys know what you think in the comments. What you guys think of. I like this big support area here. I like the EMAs are curling up on the weekly chart. On a bigger time frame, everything looks good. And even on a monthly chart, we have the EMA 50 acting as bottom support. When it gets near this, we have that nice big fluctuation up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the Discord, and happy trading.